This channel teaches engineers about business and business building. Hi, do you feel uncertain about the future of jobs? Do you want your smarts to be fully utilized? Do you want to have financial independence with your own hard work and intellect? This is the right channel for you. This channel is all about teaching you to have your own business. You can have a side business or a startup if you know how to build your own business. I am an engineering professor who turned to the entrepreneurial world and industry, so I know all the questions and answers from own experience, not some books. I will give you straight answers about all the questions no one answers straight for you. Let's discover how you can start to journey as entrepreneur, how to get funding, how to build products, how to get the entrepreneur mindset, and how to have a lot of customers. It is hard, but once you know it is hard, it is already not so hard anymore. Thanks for joining me on your journey.